The military operational environment is continually changing. EOS needs to continually monitor that environment to ensure that we're developing products that meet our customers' requirements. Our entire team is focused on our technologies and our products. They've been doing this work for over 30 years. They've built up experience and expertise in this field that's unrivaled in the world.
We work together with the customer to customize and align our technology with their operational requirements. We don't just deliver a product for them that they will use it. No, we need to make sure that they will use it effectively, that this product will actually align with what they need in the operation.
We've done extensive testing of our systems, and we compare to the gold standard, which is the weapon mounted on a hard stand, and we consistently exceed that to a great extent.
Precision is a tremendously important thing in today's world. We are entering into a period of industrial warfare, where the industrial might of a country has to be marshaled so you can win a fight. It is tremendously important that when you're in a competition, you're able to achieve result immediately.
We can achieve 3 forms of detection: identification, recognition, at distances greater than any of our competitors, with more reliability than any of our competitors, and our accuracy when firing is unparalleled.
One of the innovations we're driving very hard at the moment is an area where we are a world leader, and that is in building defensive systems that can protect civilian infrastructure and military assets against drone attack. Drone warfare is asymmetric, and so one of the key elements in our competitiveness and our leading edge status is we have affordable solutions that will protect against drone attack.
In Huntsville, we make the R400, we make the R600, we also make the R800 here. And that is a really exciting thing for our team.
We are a hub, we are supporting UAE, we are supporting also the region. So we are working actually close to our customer, so whenever they need the support, we can do it within 24 hours.
All the technical engineering support for the entire fleet that we sold to the local customer will be carried out in these premises. EOS Singapore is one of the most advanced support center for RCWS in Asia today. We are also expanding our footprint into Southeast Asia, and that includes Japan, Korea, and Taiwan.
All of our customers should feel comfortable and confident that EOS will deliver solutions to the challenges of today as well as the challenges of tomorrow.
We are agile and we can deliver customized solutions. That's why we get preference over other suppliers, as we meet the customer expectations and even exceed them. Because at EOS, the first shot matters.